Hey guys, it's Erica, Scrapdiva29. Welcome back to my channel. I'm coming on today to share with you two prizes that I actually won on YouTube. I just want to start out by saying I am getting over being sick. My kids decided to bring school germs back home, so I'm going to try not to cough through this video, but if I do, please do excuse me. Alright, so the first prize that I won was from I'm a Cool Mom, her YouTube channel. She recently celebrated 25,000 subscribers. Congratulations, Jessica. I had left a message on her video and she had a giveaway, and surprisingly I actually won it, so yay. Really excited, and I actually won her junk journal kit. Now this was the Bohemian kit that I think she just recently released. If you're not familiar with her channel, I'll definitely link it down below. She does a lot of junk journals and digital papers, and she has an Etsy store, and just wanted to share what I won. So the kit comes with a lot of different things. This particular kit is like a digital kit, so it has digital papers. I'll open it up so you guys can see what it looks like. But there's lots of different prints, as you can see. Really, really pretty. And then it even comes with like pages like from books, which is really cool. And there's like some pages from maps. And again, some more artwork from books, it looks like. So there's a lot of, yeah, book pages. This is actually kind of cool. And then this type of paper, I'm not even sure, it looks like coffee stains. So this all came with the kit, and that's not even all of it. There's also a ton of fabric. Look at all the different fabric that comes with the kit. Really, really pretty. Look at that, isn't it pretty? So the ladies that are into junk journals, I definitely suggest you guys checking out her channel and checking out her Etsy store. Oh, it even came with this, wow. So all of that, and it is quite a bit of stuff. And then there's one more package right here, and it looks like, yes, looks like a lot of different laces and trims that also comes with the kit. So as you can see, you get quite a bit of stuff. Some satin trim, even some floral fabrics. So really, really fun kit. So thank you, Jessica, and congratulations on your success of your YouTube channel. When she first started, she actually told me that I actually inspired her to create her own channel. So I'm really proud of her and all of her success, and I just wish her all the best. So yeah, check out Jessica. She is I'm a Cool Mom, and I'll leave the link in the description box below. All right, I'm gonna put that off to the side. And then the second prize that I won was from Amadoreous, and I won his Christmas YouTube Hop prize. And so I opened up the box, and look how super cute this is, you guys. So I'm just gonna try to slide this back so you can see. But it says, congrats, Erica, and then it says Heart Amadoreous, and look at his fabulous handwriting. Oh my gosh. If you're not familiar with Amadoreous, here is all of his information. And as you can see, he has his own craft kit website, and he's selling his own craft kits. So definitely check out his channel and his website if you're interested in these kits. He's a very creative person. I've been following him for a very long time. And if you're not familiar with his channel, I highly suggest that you go check him out. So this is how his package came. Look how super pretty it is. He's so professional. It's got some cute little washi, and let's go ahead and open it up. I was really excited to win this kit because when I saw him share it, I thought, oh, that's super, super cute. So he's super sweet. He sent me a few of these crafty cabins, and it's like these little keychains, and he said that I could, you know, give them out to people. But how cute is that? And they have like little cabin numbers. How super cute. How cool would that be if he had his like own little actual crafty cabin where you could actually go and crop? That would be really, really fun. So super, super cute. Thank you for sending some extras. So in the kit, this was the coffee cup, or not the coffee cup, but the, I can't think, you guys, the mug kit. Look at what you get with this. Oh my gosh. So everything is pre-cut. Let me just open it up so you guys can see it. And I'm sorry for the crinkling. And you get all the pieces, but look at how super cute this is. So everything is pre-cut. This is gorgeous. I can't wait to put this together. I'm actually doing a swap, and it's actually a Christmas themed flip swap. So I think I'll be using this for my project. Right on time. Oh my gosh, you get so many. And he even layered it with like super heavyweight. This is like chipboard. And then the Santa Baby collection, which I love, and then I actually already have. And so this will be perfect because I have a lot of the embellishments already. So yay, I'm super excited about this kit. So it comes with this and even the rings. So that's really, really awesome. And then it comes with these really pretty flowers that go with the collection. Really, really pretty. And even the leaves too. And then this looks like a bunch of little die cuts and little pieces to embellish. And I'm not going to take those out because I don't want to lose them. And then he's also included some twine and some seam binding and some type of ribbon right here, some type of like cheesecloth. That's really, really pretty. His presentation is very, very nice and very professional looking. I love it. And then, oh, it even comes with all of these little ephemera pieces and the 3x4 cards, it looks like. Oh, wow. So that's even included in the kit. And then also, here are the tags that are included that you can put into your little hot chocolate mug. See if I can open it up, you guys. I'm so sorry, I have no nails. Oh my gosh, how do I open this? Okay, here we go. Sorry about that. So it comes with all these pre-cut tags, and I believe these are the graphic 45 tags. And he's already done all the work for me. So that's really awesome. And I think this particular kit he said was sold out. And I'm not really sure if he's going to be doing another one. He'll probably be doing something similar. I'm not really sure, but y'all check out his channel and visit his store and see what he's got available. But I love this die. It's so pretty. I think this was a Spellbinders die. It's gorgeous. Yes, love it. I can't wait to play with this. So pretty. And then these are the bigger, I think, graphic 45 tags, already pre-cut. And you get so many. So this is awesome. Oh, that's pretty. I don't know what collection that's from. That might be from something else. Is that the Santa Baby? I don't recognize that one, but super, super pretty. So thank you so much, Amador, for sending me this prize. I really appreciate it. I can't wait to play with it. And if you guys want to check out Amador or I'm a Cool Mom, I'll link their channels in the description box below. Thanks for watching and have a great day. Bye for now.